Okay guys, for today's recipe, I'm making cassava roll. I put 1 can of condensed milk and then 1 can of coconut milk and then ube flavor. Then mix it well. You will see the result later. Okay guys, I put the cassava in the tray and let it cool down, okay? Just wait, and then I put cheese on top after. There you go. Let's put cheese on top. I got 2 different cheese, white and mozzarella and cheddar cheese, okay? Put on top. Huwag magtipid sa cheese. You put too much, a lot, para maging masarap yung kasaba nyo. There you go guys. Naglagay pa ako ng cheddar cheese on top of the mozzarella. So, dagdagan natin. Okay. This is done. Let it cool it and wait. There you go guys. This is the final result. Supposed to be a cassava roll, but it made a cassava cake. Thanks for watching. God bless. Bye-bye.